ever needed to bridge an MCP tool into DSPy's ecosystem without losing its core functionality. You'll see how to extract a tool from an MCP session, convert it to a DSPy-compatible version, and execute it with a single async call, all while maintaining the original tool's structure and behavior.
Hash MCP tool from session. MCP tool equals response, tool 0. Hash convert to DSPy tool. DSPy tool equals DSPy, tool from MCP tool, session MCP tool. Hash the DSPy tool preserves. Hash tool name and description. Hash parameter schemas and types. Hash argument descriptions. Hash async execution support. Hash use it like any DSPy tool. Result equals await DSPy tool. A call. param1 equals value. param2 equals 123.
This demonstrates the adapter pattern for tool protocol conversion. The code shows how DSPy can wrap an existing MCP tool in its own tool interface through a single conversion call. The distinctive aspect is that this transformation happens at runtime with minimal code while maintaining the original tool's callable interface. The conversion preserves the tool's core execution contract by mapping the MCP tool's async call signature directly to DSPy's async invocation method. The resulting DSPy tool can be called using the same parameter structure as the original MCP tool, as shown in the acall example with named parameters. This creates a thin wrapper that maintains the original tool's behavior while adapting it to DSPy's tooling system. This approach eliminates the need to manually redefine tools when switching between protocols. You can immediately use the converted tool with DSPy's standard calling pattern, keeping the original parameter names and a sync execution model. The pattern is valuable when you need to integrate existing MCP tools into DSPy workflows without modifying the underlying tool implementations. Let's break it down line by line.
Hash MCP tool from session. MCP tool equals response, tool 0.
Extracts the first tool from the MCP responses tools collection. This is the raw MCP tool that will be converted to DSPy format in the next operation.
Hash convert to DSPy tool. DSPy tool equals DSPy, tool from MCP tool, session MCP tool.
This transforms the MCP tool into a DSPy tool using the framework's adapter method. The conversion happens in one line, creating a compatible object that works with DSPy's tooling system.
Hash the DSPy tool preserves. Hash tool name and description. Hash parameter schemas and types. Hash argument descriptions. Hash async execution support. Hash use it like any DSPy tool. Result equals await DSPy tool. A call. param1 equals value. param2 equals 123.
The comment lists what gets preserved during MCP to DSPy conversion, while the actual code demonstrates the converted tool being called with await DSPy tool, a call. This shows the tool works identically to native DSPy tools, using the same async invocation pattern. MCP to DSPy tool conversion. This snippet shows the direct conversion of an MCP tool to a DSPy tool via DSPy tool from MCP tool, using the session and tool reference from the MCP response. The resulting DSPy tool is immediately usable with await DSPy tool a call, as demonstrated with the param1 and param2 arguments. This pattern enables seamless integration between MCP-compatible tools and DSPy's tool execution system.
The protocol that divides tools unites them.